It looked gnarly.
I came up here and then fell down, back down.
And then did a climb.
That turn, and then I did that, and none of it was pretty.
Yeah, baby. Nicely done.
Yeah. That'd probably be easier.
So which is easier in here? Can you tell the difference? Huh?
What easy?
Which bike?
Oh.
Which is easy?
150.
This one's better in here? You look like me. Look at his head, huh? It's good stuff, man. People throw their lives away to feel like this.
Pay a lot of money.
That's right. A lot more than we do.
The bike sounds good, Matt.
Thank you.
Down low, just burp.
Yeah, it feels like it's burping. So, 24, I guess. I don't know. What is that? Is it TPI? I have no idea. Nah, yeah, I was thinking some 4, maybe some 2X. What is going on up there?
It's super narrow.
And your bike's fat. I do know.
She's so heavy.
Tree root.
Yeah, I can smell it.
So why are you putting that stick in the way?
Oh shit. Going the wrong way, Captain. I'd drop it in on this side.
I'm gonna turn it around. The bike's about to do that anyway.
Bike responds well to gravity.
Yep.
Dude, ride that out.
You got it from there. Send it.
Like that? Is that how you want me to do it?
Yes, that's how I wanted you to do it. Thank you, Scott.
That's what I pictured in my mind when you were telling me how to do it.
I think your bike respawns by itself.
But I think you said it was supposed to land on the uphill side.
Yeah, I got that 70% right.
Yeah.
I jammed my knee, man, and when I put my foot out just a second ago.
Oh, look at the slick down that seat.
Sweat.
You wish. I think that is urine.
I made all my things hurt. Why? Down there somewhere.
That's where you get in trouble right there, man.
Yep.
Only half your bike is past that rock. Yeah, that rock wasn't there, man. It'd be...
Then anybody would do it. Everybody be doing it then. Who wants that?
There you go.
Yeah!